All right, guys, I finally got one. Hey guys, Mike here. So guys, I finally got one, a 5950X. Yes, now I can finally finish the Megatron build, and what a pain it was to get one. Now, if some of you guys have been following along, back on December 18th, Walmart had a big sale on 5950Xs. They became available and they were available for a good solid 5 minutes. I know a ton of people went over to Walmart and pre ordered them. The delivery dates ranged from January 4th all the way up until mine was January 20th. So I didn't get mine from Walmart. My order was canceled along with everyone else. So it got to be about the middle of the month of January, and so I decided to go on the Reddit and see if Walmart was actually delivering all these 5950Xs. Because I was kind of skeptical in the beginning, just because when they went available, they were available for so long, and not any of the retailers online that I could think of, nobody's had that amount of stock to last as long as it did on Walmart. So I started to read up on Reddit and I started to see that a lot of these people who had delivery dates from like January 4th to January 10th, they went to back order a day before their delivery date. And then a few days after that, they were canceled. So I was like, oh, come on. But I decided to ride it out because, why not? So I got to January 19th. My order got back ordered and then I got canceled 2 days later. And that's so frustrating for me and everybody else out there who pre-ordered a 5950X on Walmart. For most of us, we just stopped looking, because we had them pre-ordered, we were all set. I had a lot of opportunities to purchase one in between December 18th and January 19th when the order was canceled. But again, I wasn't even looking for the simple fact that I have already secured one, and I spent enough time staring at my Discord channel and staring at my computer screen, waiting for an alert to go off. So, what a mess. Really disappointed with Walmart and that whole situation. If one of you guys are if any of you guys out there are one of the ones that pre-ordered a 5950X from Walmart on December 18th, post down in the comments below, please. Let me know your thoughts and how you feel about the whole situation. So, as disappointing as that was, you guys are probably wondering how I ended up finding this. So I actually went on the Facebook Marketplace. Now, a lot of the prices on there were going from, $950 to $1,200. I even saw a few for $1,300. So I found this one for $900. Now, my Walmart pre-order with tax, it was 800, I think like 64 bucks. So I was talking to a gentleman for a while on Facebook who was selling this for 900. We were just kind of BSing back and forth. I was telling him what a hassle this was trying to get one. You know, Super nice guy ended up saying, "Hey, listen, I was 3 hours away from him. That he'd be willing to sell it to me for retail if I was willing to drive down and get it." So the following day, I drove 3 hours. I went and got this thing. I paid retail, um, and that's pretty much the story. Unbelievable that I was able to actually get this from, let's just say, a so-called scalper for retail. I'm glad it worked out, and I was able to get one. I'm just super excited that I could finally finish the Megatron build, and I'm praying that there's no leaks or issues or installing Windows. And guys, what I usually do when I'm doing a water cooled build, and I didn't this time, and I'm hoping it doesn't come back and bite me in the ass, is I'll go ahead and set up everything on air. And then I'll install Windows, make sure that the BIOS is updated and everything's working correctly. And then I'll swap all the air parts out for water cooled parts. And then I know that there's no issues. Because obviously, you don't really want to turn your system on unless you fill the loop. So if you fill up the loop and there's an issue and you can't log into the BIOS or something's not seated correctly, you have to drain the entire thing for the most part and then start going through each piece of hardware one by one until you find out the issue. Could be a bad RAM stick. So I didn't do that this time, and I normally do to try to cover all my bases. So again, hopefully that doesn't come back to bite me in the ass. So, but anyways, guys, I just wanted to give you an update. I'm super stoked. I can't wait to use this thing. I can't wait to render finally an Adobe Premiere with 16 cores. It should be pretty epic. So my next video, guys, it should be Megatron finished, all up and running. I can't wait to share. I can't wait to share that with you guys. So stay tuned for that one. All right, guys. As always, stay healthy, Okay, I think I messed it all up. As always, guys, stay safe, stay healthy. I appreciate you. I'll see you in the next one.